The 2011 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, four-wheel ABS, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, home link garage door opener, AM/FM stereo with in-dash 6-disc CD changer, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 5-piece automatic transmission with overdrive. Your new ride is just a phone call away.